connector, known as Liu He, belongs to the Yiwut element and is considered an auspicious character in the QiMen Deities. If your personal superpower deity in your QiMen Destiny chart is the 6th connector, you must finish watching this video to have a full idea on how to tap into your inner strength. 6th connector, as translated, focuses on the relationship and communication. They are excellent networkers, influencers, and also powerful negotiators. People generally love 6th connector people because of the pleasant, loving, and gentle energy. They have a very caring and sensitive heart, which increases the chances of building trust and breaking down barrier walls. A powerful 6th connector can pull people from all walks of life together for a common mission and vision. They are excellent at managing others' emotions and ego, where they are powerful in influencing their decision making, so they continue to follow the 6th connector. 6th connector people are warm, good-hearted, approachable, and friendly. They are usually nicely dressed, well-mannered, and courteous. They'll go out of their way to help those who are less fortunate. That's why they are well trusted by the masses. They have a lot of friends wanting to rub shoulder with them on their high energy and access their network too. 6th connectors are associated with parties, and they are excellent in hosting parties, either for professional careers or even for family events. If you ever get a chance to partner with a 6th connector, you can find your heart at ease with them, either professionally or in romantic relationships. The weakness of a 6th connector is generosity. Their giving nature is beyond the norm of what someone can think of. To them, appeasing others is key, even to the point of losing out at that moment. Continue watching to get the customized manifestation command from 6th connector energy. They believe in long-term relationship, and nothing beats a happy person in their life. In business, they'll rather refund a transaction of a customer even though it's customer's fault, just to have a 5-star Google review. For those who know 6th connectors' weakness, they will want to take full advantage of this. At the same time, they also get some minor health problems. So do take care and do your yearly medical review and checks. How do you manifest to 6th connectors? Connector, I summon your power to attract kind, loving, and fun individuals that resonate my equally joyful energy dynamic to be my business partner in this new venture for abundance. 6th connector, I command you to download a flood waves of happiness, love, laughter, and daily peace, creating a circle of trustworthy integrity, warm and caring friends, partners, relationship around me better today than yesterday. Connector, empower me with relationships that genuinely support, love, and kind to me in all shape, form, or fashion. Bring forth financial abundance through all this noblement so that I can continue to grow in my career and towards my financial freedom. Hope you enjoy all this command from 6th connector. I look forward to seeing you in one of my upcoming QiMen Manifestation Masterclass. You can look for the sign up link below in the description. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell, like this video, and comment below. And I'll answer them personally. With that, please continue to watch the next video in the recommended list.